Hi, this is Intentional Teaching Card LL85, the sound of the vowel. Now, we need to go over our 5 vowel sounds. We know that there are short vowel sounds and long vowel sounds. We went over these in class. We can review them now. So, for short vowel sounds, these are the sounds they make. We've got the A, which says A for short vowel. We've got E, which says F for our short vowel sounds. We've got I, which says I for our short vowel. We've got O, which says A, and we've got U, which says Okay, those are our 5 vowels. So short vowel sounds, we have A, I, Okay, and we went over in class, if it's a long vowel sound, the letter says its name. So the vowel will say its name. So A will say A, E, I, O, U. So you will hear the actual sound of the letter in the word. So with your parents at home, you can come up with some words that have vowel sounds in them. So let's start with this one. So we've got our vowel sound here. So you can sound it out with your parents. This is a short vowel sound. So we've got k, a, t, k, a, t, k, at, cat. And you can go over those sounds with your parents at home. Then you can come up with some other ones. You can start with short vowels. Short vowels easier to read. We could do so we've got d, there's our vowel, which says d, og, d-og, dog. And then you can read out the word. Okay? And then at home as well, you can get your parents, after you've done all the short vowel sounds with many words, you can then go over your long vowel sounds. So you could try these are a bit trickier. So this one makes a long vowel sound. Okay, so the I is going to say its name, I. So we've got b-I-k, b-ike, bike. And you can sound it out that way. If you want, you can have your parents draw a picture as well. You can also do, like I said, the long vowel sounds are a lot harder to hear or to read. The words are a little more complicated. Here we've got a long vowel sound, A. So then at the beginning you're not going to hear A, you're going to hear A. A-corn. A-corn. Acorn. So you're going to hear that long vowel sound at the beginning of the word. Okay? So at home you can just practice these. Practice your short vowel sounds, what sounds they make. Remember, A, and then, as you know, the long vowel sounds, say their name, A, E, I, O, U, and then practice words with those sounds in them. Okay? I hope that helps, and that will hopefully be fun.